Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Slim Reshae here, and I am back with another video. Y'all, today we are serving looks, okay? We are serving glam, honey. We are serving date nights. Yes, we are serving looks. I just want to shout out real quick, you know, my nail tech Nails by Gio. Y'all follow her on Instagram. I do need to get a fill, but everyone's been complimenting this color and I love it so much. Also, I want to shout out my wig girl. This wig was made with Ali Annabelle hair. And it was made by my girl Unit Gangs by Ashley Nicole. So y'all also follow her on Instagram at Unit Gang by AN. So make sure y'all follow her as well. But without further ado, we are getting into this whole date night look. Yes, honey. Yes. If you are interested in this video, please keep on watching. gents, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Hold on, let me check. It always happens. Alright, y'all, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Highlight is booming. Yes, highlight is booming. I love this lip combo. This is literally like my new favorite lip combo. This has been my favorite lip combo since like around Christmas time. And it is the Morphe liquid lipsticks. They're really good and matte. They're not drying to the lips. It's kind of like a satiny finish. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this like simple but glam date night makeup look when you're trying to look, you know, real cute but not like you're doing too much. I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder because honey, I look good. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, you might as well subscribe. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. If you like makeup videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up so I can give you guys more makeup videos like this. I was thinking about doing a Valentine's Day makeup look, but I don't know whether I should do like a simple makeup look with a bold red lip or whether I should do like a red glitter makeup look, you know, with like a muted lip. Y'all let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you so much, and never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tipple. Bye guys.